Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, let us now learn the list of hepatotoxic drugs. So if you see the list of hepatotoxic drugs, one we have hepatitis. Hepatitis causing drugs are halothane, isoniazid, phenytoin, halothane, isoniazid, phenytoin, methyl dopa and aspirin. These will cause hepatitis. Then what are the hepatocellular necrosis? What are the drugs which cause hepatocellular necrosis? These include paracetamol and calcium tetrachloride. Then what are the drugs which causes cholestasis? Cholestasis causing drugs are OCPs, anabolic steroids. These are OCPs, anabolic steroids, androgens. Then we have allopurinol, and these include carbamazepine, chlorpromazine, and these are cholestatic causing hepatotoxic drugs. Then those drugs which cause granuloma in the liver are allopurinol, isoniazid, sulfonamide, quinidine, phenylbutazone, carbamazepine. And what are the drugs which cause fatty change? Fatty change is seen in aspirin, tetracycline, methotrexate, amiodarone, then ketoprofen. So these are the different drugs causing hepatotoxic drugs. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.